It's good you're wearing a white shirt because the 54 just looks that much better. Okay, now you're gonna videotape me doing that same trick.
Yes, I am. You know the trick?
Oh, watch the camera.
You know the trick? Okay, so I press this big black button, right?
It's already recording.
Oh. I sounded really stupid.
I'm leaving the audio in too, just for you.
What?
I'm leaving the audio in just for you.
Thank you.
No, but he can actually land it. He goes like this, drops it, and then just drops out. Like doesn't even.
It looks so horrible compared to you.
Hmm?
It looks so horrible compared to you.
No, you don't. Ha!